Hi everyone, and welcome to CMB 170, Coding 1. My name is Elle Oliver, and I will be your instructor in this course. I have had the pleasure of working in the healthcare field in various roles for the past 25 years. I have worked in both inpatient and outpatient facilities, including acute care, long-term care, physician practices, and psychiatric hospitals. I have both inpatient and outpatient coding experience and have worn the cap of compliance officer, HIM operations manager, and interim director within the health informatics department. I received a master's in science and health information management from the College of St. Scholastica in Duluth, Minnesota. In addition, I am certified through the American Academy of Professional Coders as both a certified professional coder and as a certified professional coder instructor. I live in northern New Jersey, which is very close to New York City, and enjoy visiting the city quite often. I look forward to working with all of you, and please feel free to contact me via email if you have any questions or need assistance with any of the course materials. Also, make sure to complete work in a timely fashion and stay on top of the due dates and news postings in our course room. You'll find very important information in that section of the course. And remember that knowledge is power. Franklin D. Roosevelt was once quoted saying, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams."